we'll be guiding you through on how to find someone if you don't know their name on Instagram. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's say you want to find someone, but you don't know their name. So what you can do is you can go to the search option. As you can see, click on the magnifying glass in the bottom. After that, click on the search bar. Now what you can do is you can search for the person's place. Let's say, for example, let's say the person I want to search lives in Ghaziabad. Let's search Ghaziabad. After that, you need to click search, and then click on the option that says places. Like it's the second last option for me, so I'll click on places. After that, you can choose whatever area you want to choose. For example, I'll choose Ghaziabad, India, the first one that started. And now you can see all the posts that people have posted from Ghaziabad. You can change it to recent if you know that that person just posted something recently, so you can find him here, him or her, it doesn't matter. So yeah, that's one and the only way you can find someone on Instagram without knowing their name. And that's about it.